In this class, we are going to learn about the database table. So first we go in T-code ST11. T-code is nothing. It is a transaction code which is shortcut to go on program or screen, etc. So here we can see this is the ABAP editor screen. Here we can create database table, view, data type, type group, domain, search, help, log, object. Also there are three buttons are given: display, change, create. If you want to create custom, then we need to click on create. If you want to change anything, then we can change it. If you want to display like a SAP predefined things, then we can click on display. So now today I am going to show you a SAP predefined table. So we can see this is a Mara table. I am click on display and you can see this is a transparent table which has a direct relations to the database. In this Mara table you can see there are some fields like MANDK, McNair and ERSDA. So you can see MANDK is a client dependent table, client dependent field which is specific to client only. If we check on MANDK and if we insert MANDK field, then we can see all the informations in this client only. And you can check from here also. This is a client 800. You can see from this. So if we check on MANDK field, then this will visible only in this client. After that there are some fields, McNair, ARF name, these fields. So McNair, it is a primary key. Primary key is nothing but it is a unique key. Suppose there are two class 5 and class 10. In class 5 also there are three sections, A, B, C, and class 10 also there are three sections. In each and every sections roll number 1 student is present, but in each and every section no multiple students are present for roll number 1. Only one student have a roll 1. So this is a primary key, unique key. So you can see in this way. And also there is a field called ERSDA. Their data type is dates and their length is 8. SAP internally contain 8 character for date data types. So now you can see this is a data element. You can click on this data element. Data element is nothing but it is a semantic information about the field, that is field documentation, which will define you the field label and domain. Inside the data element we can create a domain. Domain is a technical informations, see, which contain which type of data type or their character of your field. Now in further class we will create data element and domain practically. If anything which is not start with Z or Y, then it is a SAP predefined. You can see also here attribute last change by SAP, because this table is completely predefined by SAP only. And anything which is start with Z or Y, first later there should be Z or Y, then that is custom, which is defined by the user. That's all about today. We will discuss data element and domain practically in further class. Thank you.